Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we have another Amazon find. This is an all-in-one portable screen cleaner for your digital devices. So come along with me as I explain why I love this product. So a little bit of a background story. I ran across this all-purpose portable screen cleaner on TikTok and I knew I was getting my new laptop, so I made sure I ordered it just to try it out. Usually I have the nice little cloth to just wipe my screen down and everything, but I felt like having a kit would be really nice. So the spray bottle has a microfiber cloth around the outside of it, and then the kit comes with a protective shelf and then an internal bottle as well. You can use this for your tablet, laptop, or your smartphone, and you basically just spray it and then wipe it down. You can spray this cleaner about 120 times. The replenishment fluid has 120 times worth of spraying as well. It is very portable, convenient, and compact. It also comes with a little brush and a cleaning cloth along with it as well. It also comes in a variety of colors. It comes in gray, light pink, mint green, navy blue, purple, red, and safety orange. Without further ado, it's finally time to clean my laptop screen. So I'll let you guys watch that and hopefully you guys enjoy it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend. I'll see you guys in my next video.